Welcome to Techni TV. I, Inder Preet Singh, Assistant Professor from Department of Management, Techni Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I will be delivering a lecture on promotion, promotion mix, and factors influencing promotion mix. Promotion is one of the four variables of marketing mix. Other variables are product, price, and place. Promotion can be defined as the process of communication which involves giving information about the product and services to customers, persuasion, and influence customers about the product. Now let's talk about the promotion mix. Promotion mix is the combination of different kinds of promotional tools which are first advertising, next personal selling, then sales promotion, public relation, and last publicity. Let's talk about the first element of promotion mix. First, advertising. Advertising is a paid form of non-personal communication of ideas, products, services, or people by a sponsor or organization. Various advertising media are television, radio, newspaper, magazines. Good advertising can build a solid brand for the company. On the other hand, bad advertising with a wrong message can cause the brand and even cause the product to fail. Second element is personal selling. Personal selling includes face to face personal communication and presentation with prospect, which are our potential and actual customers, for the purpose of selling the product. For example, salesmen go to different societies to sell the product like Amway products. Another example is found in department stores on the perfume and cosmetic counters. Third element is sales promotion. Sales promotion is the process of persuading a potential customer to buy the product. Sales promotion is designed to be used as a short-term tactic to boost up sales. The popular method used for sales promotion are demonstration, trade shows, exhibition, exchange offers, seasonal discounts, free gifts, contests, etc. Like we see in this example, free gifts by Secomap allows you to create special offers on your stores. For example, if you want to run a buy one get one promotion, you can use this app. Next element is public relation. Public relations include maintaining constructive relation not only with customers but with suppliers, middlemen and more. Example, Pepsi paid for the sponsorship of IPL. Its main motive is to influence a target audience and through this create a favorable and positive image for the company. Next element is publicity. Publicity is not paid form of mass communication that involves getting favorable response of buyers by placing a big news in mass media. Publicity is not paid for by the organization. Publicity comes from reporters, columnists and journalists. It can be considered as a part of public relation. Publicity involves giving public speeches, giving interviews, conducting seminars, inaugurating mega events by film actors, cricketers, politicians or popular personalities that attract mass media to publish the news about them. Now next part which I am going to discuss is factors influencing promotion mix. Which promotional tool should we use at what point of time? First, types of product. Product can be classified into branded and non-branded products, necessities product like sugar, salt, and luxury products which are a bit expensive. Advertising is suitable for the branded and popular products. Personal selling may be fit for non-branded products. Next factor is the use of product. Products may be classified into industrial product and consumer product. Industrial product like raw material which requires personal selling effort, and in the case of consumer products, advertising or sales promotion can be used. Next factor is the size of market. Naturally, in case of limited market, personal selling is effective. When market is wide with a large number of buyers, advertising is preferable. Idea is to convey the customers about the product. Another factor is the stages of PLC, that is product life cycle. As we know that there are four stages in PLC: In each stage, there is different kind of promotional tool is used to promote the product. First, advertising, personal selling, and even sales promotion are used during the introduction stage. However, advertising is given more priority. In the growth stage, more intensive advertising and sales promotional techniques are used. In the maturity stage, more rigorous advertising along with personal selling are followed. And company prefer to curb the expenses in the fourth stage, that is declining stage, and promotional efforts are reduced. Next factor is level of competition. Promotional efforts are designed according to type and intensity of competition. Level of promotional efforts and selection of promotional tools depends on level of competition. All promotional tools are aimed at protecting companies' interest against competition. And last factor is promotional budget, that is funds which are available to the company helps in decide the promotional tool. A firm with huge promotional budget can spend all on promotional activities, but a marketer with financial constraints will be selective in selection of promotional tool. According to their budget, marketer will select the promotional tool. Following references are used, so I hope you understood the topic. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe Technia TV. Thank you very much.